Production of soap. Do you know soap? Soap is the chemical product for cleaning your skin. For cleaning your skin, including your face, your neck, your body, your arm, and your hand, and your leg, your feet. This is your skin or your whole body. The chemical product for cleaning your whole body is called soap. And soap is an anionic surfactant. An anionic surfactant that you learn in the lecture class. Anionic surfactant is the surfactant that have negative charge at the tail part, at the head part. Sorry, at head part. I will tell you briefly of surfactant. Surfactant is the chemical that consists of, just a moment, surfactant that the chemical that consists of two parts, head part and tail part. Head part is the part that love water. It means the head part can dissolve in water. Can dissolve in water. For another part of surfactant is tail part. It opposite to head part. It is the part that head water. It means it cannot dissolve in water. Okay, the symbol of surfactant is this. This is the represent the head part, and that represent tail part. Do you remember if your surfactant is in the micelle form? It means your surfactant has cleaning property, right? Cleaning property. The micelle form of surfactant. What is the micelle form of surfactant? It means many molecules of surfactant put the tail into the core together and turn the head part out of surrounding solution that I write down on your screen. This is the micelle form of surfactant. It means many molecules of surfactant. This is the one molecule of surfactant. One molecule of surfactant. And this is the many molecule of surfactant that put the tail together into the core. Put the tail together into the core and turn head out of surrounding solution. This is the micelle of surfactant. When the surfactant is in the micelle form, it means your surfactant has cleaning property. Okay. That I mentioned you before, today for the lab class, we will learn about the production of soap. There are 5 steps of produce soap. The first one, the second one, third, fourth, and the last step is this for the 5th step. The first one, you use to, the material that you use to produce soap for today is glycerin. Do you know glycerin? Glycerin is a byproduct from biodiesel production. But the glycerin from biodiesel production is in liquid form. It means glycerin has two forms, liquid form and solid form. And today we use solid form of glycerin to produce soap. Therefore, the first step of soap production is melting glycerin with heat. You should melt glycerin with heat using hot plate. Hot plate, it means it like an oven. It like oven or microwave. You put the solid glycerin in the pot and put the pot on the oven or put the pot into the microwave. And then you use the heat to melt glycerin. After you melt the glycerin, you get melt glycerin. The melt glycerin is still on the hot plate. It means the melt glycerin is still hot. You add the color and perfume that you want into the melt glycerin, into the hot melt glycerin. After you add the color and perfume into hot melt glycerin, you mix well. It means you stir homogeneously. You mix well. If you put the pink color, the melt glycerin should be pink, right? Mix well. After you mix well, you still on the hot plate and you will change to another step. It is to spread a little amount of oil on your mold. This is the mold that you select to produce the soap. If you want to produce soap in banana shape, you must use the banana mold. Like this, you spread a little amount of oil into the mold. For what? Why? Why do we want to spread a little amount into the mold? For easily to remove your soap out of your mold. For the fourth step, you pour the solution. The solution, it means hot melt glycerin with added color and perfume into your mold that you spread a little amount of oil already. And then you let the mold cool at the room temperature. After the mold cool at the room temperature, you take the soap out of the mold easily and you get the soap in the shape that you want. If you want to get the soap in banana shape, finally you will get a soap in the banana shape and the smell is banana also. Okay, if you produce soap and you know your soap is safe for another one or not, your soap that you produce safe for user or not. How do you know? How do you know your soap that you produce is safe for the user? is safe for the user. You must test. You must test your soap. To testing for making your soap. For making okay, well, I will talk again. There are two testing for confirm your soap is safe. There are two testing for confirm your soap is safe for user. There are two testing for confirm your soap is safe for user. For the first testing is pH testing. pH testing used to test the irritation property. The second one is ability test, used to test the cleaning property. Let us talk about the pH testing that used to test the irritation property. Irritation is occur on your skin when you put the soap on your body. Okay, it like a red pot or red spot on your skin after you use the soap. If you have a red spot after you use the soap, it means this soap is irritate your skin. It's not good. It is not good property of the soap. Okay. For the step to testing pH, you use the pH paper. You must have pH paper. You can buy at the store. The pH paper, this is the example of the pH paper. This is the example of pH paper. This is pH paper. This is pH paper. You use this pH paper and put it into soap solution. Soap solution, it means melt glycerin with added color and perfume. Soap solution, it means melt glycerin with added color and perfume. In this step, this is soap solution. You put the pH paper into soap solution and wait 2 seconds. Wait 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, you put the pH paper out of your soap solution and compare with standard color tab. Standard color tab. This is the standard color tab. You compare your pH paper that put into soap solution with standard color tab. You see the number on your standard color tab, 1 to 14. This number represents the quality of your soap. Quality of your soap. It means if pH paper, when you compare pH paper with standard color tab and you found the color of pH paper is nearly 7. Nearly 7. Or your pH paper doesn't change the color. It means the soap solution have the pH about 7. You compare pH paper with standard color tab. And when you compare, after you compare, you must know the quality of your soap. If pH paper, if the color, if the color of pH paper is number 1 to 7, it means soap has acidic quality. Acidic quality is mean you think if I talk about the acidic quality, you might think about lemon. It's sour and it can be irritate your skin. If your soap has the acidic quality, it means when the user use your soap, it will be irritate their skin. Indicate that your soap is not good property. On the other way, if quality of soap (7 to 14), if the color of your pH paper is number 7 to 14, it means your soap has basic quality. It also not good property of soap. It also irritate your soap. Acidic quality is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide used to dissolve the stuff in your pipe. Dissolve your stuff in your pipe. Dissolve your stuff in your pipe. Therefore, the optimum pH or the suitable pH for soap is 7 to 8. Suitable your soap. It means your soap is safe for user. It not irritate your skin. Okay. For the testing for ability test. For ability test, you to test the cleaning property. For the cleaning property, you must use 2 bottles. And you must have tissue paper first. And you drop the oil on your tissue paper. And then you put tissue paper that containing the oil into the bottle. Into the empty bottle. It means in the bottle do not containing water. Put the tissue paper with oil into the bottle. And then you put the soap solution into the bottle. After you put the soap solution into the bottle, check for 2 minutes. Check for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you observe the skin of the bottle or the wall of the bottle. This is the wall or bottle, wall or bottle, wall or bottle. If there is oil into the wall of bottle, it means your soap is not clean. The oil on tissue paper. It's bad quality of soap. In opposite way, if there is not oil into the wall onto the wall of bottle, it means your soap is your soap can clean the oil on tissue paper. Okay, these are the 2 properties that is important when you produce soap. These two properties can confirm or can guarantee your solve that you produce. If you want to make the solve or if you want to produce the solve and make your own business by produce solve, these two property is very important. Okay. For the lab class, do you have any question? If you have any question, you drop into the chat box like a lecturer class and I will answer you later. And today is finished for the lab class. And thank you for coming. And I wish you good luck for your examination. And see you again. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ